Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable super dark mode on iPhone. Now the first thing that you should do is simply go to settings in your iPhone, and in settings, you will have to go to display and brightness. Once you go there, you should choose this option dark mode, and after that you should go back. Now go to your home page screen, then hold on the screen till you find these options. Click on this edit in the top left side, then you should simply click on customize, and now you will have to choose this option right here, dark. And you need also to click on this sun icon in order to make it even more darker. Now go back to your settings, and now you should go to accessibility, then you should click on display and text size, and now you have to scroll down till you find here this option reduce white point. Then you should reduce it a little bit till you find it suitable for you. In order to access between the normal mode and the super dark mode, what you should do right now is simply scroll up till you get this menu. Then click on this plus sign and click on add a control down below. Then search here for red and choose reduce white point, and this is how we can actually make it in the options and change between the super dark mode and the regular mode. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.